Yeah. It's just me, myself, and I.
Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. This video is something crazy, you know, and I figured it would be something fun to do for today. And I'm also gonna be kind of like absent for the next couple days. My grandmother just passed away and I have her funeral on Wednesday, so I wanted to do a video for you guys before I leave, and I figured this would be a really fun video. And I've actually never done it before, but I know that it's quite popular here on YouTube. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and if you do, make sure you guys subscribe and make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video and want me to do more slime videos. Like I said, it's not really beauty related, but you know, I figured why not do something different. So yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in one sec. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. So what you're gonna need is any type of mixing bowl, preferably like a plastic one, just so you know, it's easier to clean and stuff like that. Any type of mixing utensil. I'm just gonna use a fork, but I literally just grabbed it because of like how the end looks, if that makes sense. Like it's kind of flat, so it's gonna help mix stuff. You're going to need Elmer's glue, of course. Any type of shaving cream. This is just like a really, I mean, it's not old, but this is like this kind. It's like that like foamy kind, so you want to use a shaving cream that's really foamy. And of course you're gonna need some good old Tide. I actually found like the cheapest one I could find, like if you're not like a couponer or anything like that. I found this at Walmart. This was only like $5. So, and there's actually quite a lot in here. There's 1.18 liters, so 40 flow ounces of Tide. So you really can make a pretty good like couple batches out of this. And then you're also just going to need a little bit of water. So first things first is I'm just going to dump the glue into the bowl. And this is like the first time I've actually done this. This one is the bigger bottle. This one is 225 milliliters. So yeah, it's like the bigger bottle, just because that's all I could find when I was at Walmart. Dump everything. So you guys can see the action here. But yeah, while I'm like doing this, I actually recently applied for a job position at my local Sephora, and I actually got a third interview out of it, so I'm really excited, and hopefully I get the job. But yeah, like I said, I have my grandmother's funeral this week, so I don't really know for like maybe 2 more weeks if I got the job or not. All of the glue dumped into the bowl, so I'm just gonna add just a little bit of water. Like I'm kidding you, like not even like that much, so y'all can see. And I'm just going to mix it into the glue, just so that way it just softens up the glue just a little bit. And it just makes it so it's just not quite as thick, I'm assuming. So now that the water is all mixed in, now we're going to add the shaving cream. Just give it a good shake. We're just going to add a lot. go with that for right now, and we're just going to mix. Just to make sure, I'm gonna add just a little bit more. Alright, so this is what we have so far. It's kind of like this foamy mess. Literally just smells like glue and shaving cream. Alright, so now that it's mixed in, I'm going to start adding the Tide. But I'm not going to add that much. I'm just going to add a little bit at a time. I can't open this. Okay, I just have like a little bit in there so you guys can see. Okay, so it's in there. As you guys can see, it's starting to form already. And then we're just gonna keep mixing it. I'm just gonna add a little bit more Tide. You guys can see it's starting to come together. I'm just gonna keep adding Tide to it. Alright, so this is what I have so far. It's literally just like a giant ball that's like covered in laundry detergent. So I'm just scraping what's like on the bottom so that way like everything like comes together. Okay. Just going to take off my fingers. And then I'm just gonna add just a little bit more shaving cream. too much shaving cream into it. This is why I'm doing it in the bathroom. Not that it would make a mess, but you know, just to make sure. Alright guys, so I'm gonna assume this is all good, so this is the result. I mean, it's kind of like a little bit sticky, but play with it a little bit just to make sure that it's all mixed in. And yeah. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I really had fun like making it, and it definitely like works. So yeah, so like I said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up too, so I can know. I kind of want to try it with like glitter glue. Let's see if that works. So yeah, if you guys want to see that video, then give this video a big thumbs up. And if we get this video to 10 likes, I'll do the video for you guys. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!